Want to kickstart your child's progress for the new digital SAT in just 27 minutes and for free? I'm Tom Zara, and through my tutoring company, Zara Tutoring, I've helped thousands of students get an average improvement of 150 points on the SAT with improvements as significant as 350 points and near perfect scores. To help your child kickstart their digital SAT journey, I've created a free 27-minute mini course. Let me give you a quick tour. This is a 44-second video about my personal background and credentials. Then we get into the 4 videos that make up the meat of this course. In this 2.5-minute video, I answer the question I get all the time: do test scores still matter? Toward the end of the video, I reference my Learning 101 mini course. You can click here to gain immediate access for free. This 5-video mini series takes just 10 minutes to go through, but I share the 5 best practices for learning so your child can study and process information more efficiently. Then we get to the 3 videos that focus on the new digital SAT. In this 5-minute video, I go through the top 10 changes to the SAT. Below, you'll see a link with more details to our small groups. Then we'll go deeper into each of the 2 sections of the test, starting with this 2-minute video on the reading and writing section. The biggest change we'll discuss is the fact that the reading and writing and language sections have been combined into one, the reading and writing section. Previously, my Triple T document, Tom's Testing Tips, for the reading section was 1 page long, and my Triple T document for the writing and language section was 2 pages long. Now that these 2 sections have been combined, there are 20 themes College Board is testing your child on, so my new Triple T document is a whopping 26 pages long. You can click here to gain immediate access to the plurals and possessives portion of my Triple T document for free. 24 hours later, you'll get an email from me that'll contain a 9.5-minute video where I'll walk your child through 2 real SAT questions of the plurals and possessives theme so they'll feel confident on one of the 20 themes right away. And last but not least, in this 3.5-minute video, we'll discuss the most critical changes to the math section. Spoiler alert, previously the math section was broken up into 2 parts, math with calculator and math non-calculator. The math with calculator section was worth 33% of the student's composite score, and the math non-calculator section was worth 17%. Since the math with calculator section was worth more than any other individual section, we provided our students with 18 graphing calculator programs that were permitted on the test, and we trained them in how and when to utilize them. Now, the math section is still worth 50% of the student's composite score, but the entire section is with calculator. So we've upped our game and now have 24 graphing calculator programs in order to give our students an edge when navigating through the 36 math topics that are covered in this section. You can click here to get one of these programs, Solve Systems, for free. Check out just how quickly you can use this program to input coefficients from the system of equations and get the values for each of the 2 variables. 24 hours after you download this program, I'll send you an email that'll contain a 3.5-minute video where I'll walk your child through 2 real SAT questions where we can utilize this awesome graphing calculator program. Just click below to gain immediate access to this jam-packed 27-minute course for free. I hope these resources provide you and your child with a ton of value and help kickstart their digital SAT journey. And remember, you got this.